Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu Gino, updated. Start by separating 3 eggs and beating yolks with 1 cup sugar until pale and thick. Then fold in 8 ounces mascarpone until smooth. Whip the 3 whites to soft peaks and fold into the cream. Quickly dip 24 ladyfingers in 1 cup espresso and layer. Dust with 2 tablespoons cocoa and chill for at least 4 hours. In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu Gino, updated. Begin by whipping egg whites to soft peaks for lightness, then combine yolk mascarpone base and fold gently, keeping movement slow to avoid deflating the mixture. Use a rubber spatula with broad strokes and turn the bowl while folding. Test texture to ensure it holds shape but remains creamy, and refrigerate before serving for best flavor melding. In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu Gino, updated. Quick recommendation. Take a moment to subscribe and like if this helps. And if you want a light companion to coffee and tiramisu, try the money book I mentioned for fun reading. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. And if you enjoyed the tip, share it. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu Gino, updated. Quickly dip each ladyfinger for about 1 second to avoid sogginess. Arrange a single layer in your dish and spread a third of the cream evenly. Repeat with remaining layers and finish with a smooth top. Dust with cocoa using a fine sieve. Then chill the dessert at least 4 hours so flavors meld and texture firms for clean slices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.